What's up, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. Panibagong review, panibagong content. This time, review natin yung isang restaurant dito sa Norway. Ito ay Italian restaurant. Ang name ay Olivia. Pangalan pa lang, parang Italiano na. So let's go and try it because it's my birthday. Yeah!
Birthday boy. Yeah, he's getting older.
Welcome to my vlog. Ito na, pakita ko sa inyo yung food. Ang aking food dito sa Italian restaurant which is Olivia. That's my pasta. Pasta ng aking mother dear and pops and my brother and sister. And of course, my brother eating his pasta. Yes. And then my friends, aunties, family, everyone. It tastes like pizza. Yun ang masabi ko. Masarap ng pasta nila. Parang nasa Italia. So, let's taste it.
Yeah, Makaska is known to be a bit more expensive. Yeah. And Dubrovnik is the most expensive. And it's only 1 hour from Makaska. Dubrovnik is close, like half, 1 hour.
Amazing. Yung pasta, sakto lang yung ano niya. Pagkakaluto niya, firm siya. Tapos yung sauce is the best. Parang lasagna na may lasang beefy steak.
Tissue paper ba yan?
Malasa, parang gano'n.
Mas piece of first
And it's amazing.
Good, good.
Food is good. So yeah, let's keep eating. Lunchtime, 1 p.m.
Hey, ano love?
My best cuff.
Of course, always on a live video with mom. And this is my tita. This is my tita. Another live video. And another tita dito. And Trixie and Jake.
Has like an ice cube, put it on the wine.
And
the guy was
Pipoy.
like,
And Enrico. And Moy. Kasia. Pizza. Pasta with some meat. Pasta with chicken. Yeah.
He tried lemon when he was a baby, and he was just like.
And then he's like, lime, and he's like, better than lime. That's good, huh?
look at
Little big brother. Bigger than big brother. Yeah, he's too cold to kiss us. Pero behind the camera, he likes to cuddle. Gutom mga tao dito. Ako lang di gutom. Kaya ako nag-video. Narinig mo sinasabi ko, Jake? I'm trying to do like my brother when he's vlogging. He's talking all the time. Sabi niya wala, kailangan ko na magsalita. Hindi ko alam kung ano sasabihin. Now, picture taking with tita, one of the titas. Of course, tamang picture taking. Never ending story.
Tapos may bumalik siya ulit. Tapos nakakuha siya niya.
Oh. 1, 2, 3.
Ayun po, tapos na ang aming birthday dinner doon sa Olivia. It was a nice experience kasi taste of Italy. So parang nakapunta ka na rin ng Italy. Yung in-order ko is yung pasta nila with some kind of steak. Yung sauce niya is parang creamy siya. So yun, masarap naman. And sila in-order nila pizza, of course, Italy. So ayun, okay siya. Most likely fine dining, mas maganda ang mga celebration doon kasi nga fine dining. Sort of. Yeah. So thank you po sa lahat ng pumunta sa birthday ko at sa nagbigay ng gift. Maraming salamat. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Keep praying, keep traveling, and don't forget to eat.